Good day everyone, and welcome to the Transport for Sydney Vlogs channel. Currently outside Sydenham Station, on the end where the new Metro concourse is. And today, being December the 10th, 2023, Sydney Metro is opening up Sydenham Station for another open day. So in this video, we'll be touring the Sydney Metro part of this new station. So we get to have a look at what's behind this fence here, which is where the new Sydney Metro concourse was built. Also connects with the new area concourse, which you can access the existing Sydney Trains platforms at Sydenham Station. Then we'll also be walking along platforms 1 and 2 and having a look there, which will be the Sydney Metro platforms here at Sydenham. So yeah, let's go in and tour this new part of the station. So I've now got my wristband and just going to be walking into the station now. The part of the station that's been fenced off for almost a year, if not over a year. But yeah, for the first time, the general public will be able to get a first look of platforms 1 and 2 here at Sydenham, as well as the new concourse, or I should say the new entrance on this road here, which I forgot completely what it's called. So I just remembered, it's the Railway Parade entrance to be exact. So yeah, we'll be touring the Railway Parade entrance today, as well as platforms 1 and 2. So yeah, again, today's open day is a registered event. Although it is free, you still need to register through Eventbrite, I believe is the website. And yeah, just collected my wristband, which was also the process that we had to take at Waterloo and Barangaroo. Just a bit of a poster here of all the new stations that will be opening up between Chatswood and Sydenham, including Sydenham at the end there. So as of today, we've already had open days at Waterloo and Barangaroo, and hopefully after Sydenham we'll be seeing some of the other stations open up as well. So to the left here, we got a bicycle rack, fully undercover, and there's also a smaller version of this on the other end of Sydenham Station where the Burroughs Avenue entrance was. But yeah, this one's obviously much longer, more spacious as well, and we got some bicycle racks on the outside too. Also outside this new entrance, we've got a water bubbler, some new benches. On the right here, you have a set of stairs which will lead you down to Railway Parade. The Sydney Trains and Sydney Metro lollipop signs. And then to the left here are the Opal ticket gates, as well as some sheltered area. Also not to forget the destination display screens. And while I'm here, I might just show you guys all the posters relating to the art that you can see at a lot of the Sydney Metro stations. If you want to continue reading, or if you want to read for longer, feel free to pause this video and resume once you are ready.
Thank you.
now let's head into this station and tour the new platforms. Able ticket gates are switched off, by the way. Yeah, currently standing on platform number 1, which is the city-bound platform. So this platform will be for services towards the city, Victoria Cross, Chatswood, and then on to Tallawong. And the opposite platform, which we will get to a little later on, are for services to Bankstown on the Bankstown line. So I'll just quickly take a walk up to the city end. We've got some female and male toilets to the left here, unisex, and a door through to the services building. Also, this track here is a shunt track and will be used by trains that are wishing to shunt in and out of the maintenance facility, which is just up ahead on the platform. So you can see up ahead there is a buffer stop. So yeah, I believe that buffer stop will remain there. They might, I don't know, maybe bring it further down here, closer to the fence where I'm standing now, or they might just leave it there to allow for a bit of clearance from the end of the track. Platform screen doors here, which look very similar to the ones that you see at the open cut stations on the Sydney Metro North West line, Cherrybrook, Bella Vista, and Tallawong being some of them. And then the elevated stations at Rouse Hill and Kellyville also have obviously these platform screen doors, which are at a similar height. Sydney Metro style station benches, you'll see a lot of these at the North West line stations, and they've also already installed them at nearly all of the Bankstown line stations, if not all. Got brand new monitors for destination displays. Now I'm going to walk to the other end, probably make my way over to platform 2 and show you guys that platform. Got more of the platform destination display screens here, and there's another one up ahead there underneath this new canopy. There's a plane flying through here probably around every 5 minutes on average. So yeah, it's not unusual to have them flying right over Sydenham. like we can't go any further. This part of the platform is been fenced off. Right in front here you got a lift which connects platform 1 with the new area concourse, which you can then use to access the other platforms here at Sydenham from 2 through to 6. Then if you keep on walking up ahead there, you have a set of stairs which will take you up to the existing concourse. And yeah, looks like there is a mini, I'm guessing it's probably another mini services building just before this lift here. And yeah, I think I see a bench as well just around the corner, but probably in that area there is probably not too much. So I'm now going to make my way up the stairs down to platform 2 and show you guys there. I don't think we'll be seeing any metro trains testing here. It would be nice if we were to see one by coincidence, but I think they're normally pause testing during open days. They don't really want trains running through the stations even when there is just an open day for a first look. So that's facing south towards the existing concourse. You can see that the platform screen doors to extend all the way to where the straight section of the platform ends. You can see there for the curved section, there will be no doors there, as all the metro trains will be stopping on the straight section. So in the early commentary in this video, I did mention that we would see platform 2. However, unfortunately, they have fenced off access to platform 2. So yeah, we can only walk on platform 1, but you can still see platform 2 here from the new area concourse. I don't think there is too much different compared to platform 1. Yeah. Basically all the same features you would see on platform 1, so the destination display screens and other platform features and amenities. Get quite a nice view of the city from here. Unfortunately, it's a bit of a cloudy, foggy day, so yeah, you can't see the full skyline of the CBD. But yeah, it does present for quite some nice photography opportunities here. The canopy that sits over the stairs here to platform 1 and the railway parade entrance is identical to the canopy that was constructed on the other platforms as part of this new aerial concourse here. So it all blends in quite nicely.
I have a question. Because unfortunately,
So I decided to come back to the city end of the platform to show you guys the view above the fence here. Just sticking my iPhone camera over. You can see the shunt track on the left, which will take you to the maintenance facility up ahead there. And then the two tracks on the right are for the Sydney Metro running lines, which will take you towards the city and onto Bankstown. Also, if I zoom up ahead, you can see quite a fair few junctions. There is one on the up line, which you can cross over to access the down line. And then also a third track to the right up ahead there, which I'm not too sure what that is for. It could be another access track to the maintenance facility. And then further up ahead, there are a couple of tracks which veer left, and that will allow Sydney Metro trains on the up line to access the maintenance facility. And then not to forget also from the down line, trains on platform 2 can terminate back towards the city and cross over to the up line as well. Alrighty people, that's about all there is to show you all from today's Sydney Metro Open Day here at Sydenham. So I'm going to wrap this one up now. Thanks for watching, please subscribe to the channel, like and favourite this video, and I will see you next time.